हेलो, टुडे वी विल मेक कॉर्न कटलेट्स। कॉर्न कटलेट्स बनाने के लिए हम लेंगे 4 to 5 बॉइल्ड पोटैटोज, इसमें हम 1 कप कॉर्न्स को बॉईल करके पानी को स्ट्रेन करके उसे हमने कोर्सली ग्राइंड कर लिया है। So I'm adding 1 cup of boiled sweet corns which have been coarsely grounded. And now I will add the spices. Salt according to taste. One and a half teaspoon of oregano. We will add 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, green chilies, and now I will add half lemon juice, and now I will add the breadcrumbs, and now we will mix all the ingredients gently into a firm dough. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, we will also add grated carrot. One small carrot I have grated and we will add into this because it becomes very tasty with the corn, potatoes, oregano, carrot. If you want, you can also add finely chopped beans also. But you need to blanch the beans before, and then you can finally chop and add the beans. We will mix it properly so that all the spices they properly mix together. Our mixture is ready. We have properly mixed all the things, and now we will make small balls out of it and give them the desired shape. If you want, you can make round balls, or you can make the oval shape also like this, or you can give them the any shape with the help of the cookie cutter also. I'll make few. You can apply some oil on your palm so that the mixture doesn't stick. Give the desired shape. See, like this. Our corn cutlets are ready to be deep fried. I have given some of the cutlets the heart shape with the help of the cookie cutter, and now I'll show you one more variation that we can do with the corn cutlets. We can do a bit variety with the corn cutlets. For the cheese lovers, what we are going to do is we'll make the ball, we'll flatten it a bit, and we will add cheese. You can add the mozzarella cheese or the cheese slices you have at home, any desired cheese. So we'll make a ball, we'll flatten a bit, we'll make a pit in the center. Now I'm going to add is the cheese. We will add it, the cheese, and we will again cover it up. And we will again flatten a bit. Now these cutlets will be the cheesy burst corns, carrots, potatoes, lemon juice, oregano, all these herbs give you the extreme delightful flavor. See, I'll make some more. Our corn cheese cutlets are ready to be fried, and I have also made these small cutlets. These are ideal for the cocktail parties. At times you don't understand कि cocktail party में क्या serve करें, so these are very easy to make. You can put in the cheese if you like. If you don't like, आप उसको छोटी छोटी balls बना के cocktail snacks की तरह भी serve कर सकते हैं. Now we are going to deep fry the cutlets, and if you're health conscious, you do not want to deep fry them, you can even shallow fry, and even you can bake them. For baking, you just need to grease the baking tray. 180 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे आप इसको 15 मिनट्स पहले प्री हीट कर लीजिए ओवन को, and then put these cutlets into it till they turn golden brown. So you can bake it, you can fry it as you like, but I can assure you the taste is very delicious and you will definitely like it. I heated the oil in the kadai, it's hot, and now we'll put the cutlets. The oil should be very hot. Our cutlets have turned brown, almost done. Now we will take them out and keep it on the tissue paper so that the excess oil is removed. Our corn cutlets are ready to be served. The heart-shaped cutlets, they look so amazing. You can serve the cutlets with the ketchup, mint chutney, or with the garlic cheese dips. With the dips, it makes an amazing combination, and they're the ideal perfect cocktail snacks. Our corn cheese cutlets are ready to be served along with the cocktail snack cutlets. I hope you all will enjoy cooking this recipe. Please share your feedback in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching.